no!
What was that?
Hello everybody, and welcome to a very unique Snacktastic Adventures. Today I am joined, of course, by Kelly, Juliana, and Steven, and the Leroy. And today we're going to be playing
The Dangerous Snack Game.
We're bringing back some old favorites and a new one, the best of the worst. The game is, we have a spinner right here in front of us. We're gonna spin. Now, the point of the game is to not react to a snack 3 times. Basically meaning don't cry from the spice or don't get grossed out by the grossness. That's a word, right? What are we gonna be trying? Well, we have the gummy spicy mangoes, ass-kicking ghost pepper peanuts, the Zombie Skittles, the Netherland black licorice, the ghost pepper popcorn, that's the new one, and the spiciest of them all, the Paqui ghost pepper chips. And also, a note about before we started filming. We had to pop the popcorn that were ghost pepper, and it got bad. We didn't record it. I still have some in my throat. So that's not a good sign for that one. Yeah, the pepper was in the air, and it got caught in our throats. And yeah, it's not great. So we've had to seal that popcorn so we're not like intoxicated by it. So we'll see how that goes. Oh my god, just thinking about it makes me cough.
Right.
Are y'all excited?
Yeah.
No.
All right.
No, not at all.
So whoever doesn't react to 3 snacks will be the supreme snacker.
It's gonna be me.
Let the games begin. Woo! Now who wants to spin?
Who pooped last?
God!
Okay,
know.
Steven.
I pooped at like
What
4.
time?
4:30.
Yeah,
4:30.
that's you.
All right, Steven.
Dang it.
Give it a
Sorry.
spin.
There we go.
Oh my gosh, it's on the line.
It's
towards
pointing towards the black licorice.
So you will be trying the Netherlands black
There you go.
licorice.
That's okay. At least it wasn't the ghost pepper.
Let's go to the snacking arena.
You're not being watched.
No thanks.
All right, Steven. Whenever you're ready.
What does that say? Red
Band.
Great.
Great.
Red before yellow, kill a fellow. Red and black, red and black. Oh, that's already disgusting.
Wait, is that a reaction? Oh wait.
All right, so he swallowed it.
Show me
You
your
got
phone.
15 seconds.
That's not. That's not bad.
So I guess he gets 1 point.
That's it.
Solid.
Okay, my turn.
That's a good one.
Oh boy.
Yay! First person to try it. Oh my
Unfortunately, we are
god.
all affected by that already.
All right, so here we go. We had to prep for the ghost pepper popcorn. We opened a window just because we don't want the spice to get in the air again. This is the only one I haven't had before, so I'm not excited.
We must have heard you say that.
Yeah, fate heard me. You're funny.
Close it right back up, yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. 3, 2, 1. There you go.
All right.
They're extremely spicy.
Oh my gosh.
All right, Kelly's up next.
Okay. Oh!
No, redo. Interference.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Time.
Yeah.
Go.
Juliana.
2 bite.
Just do one. Just do one. Don't eat that whole thing.
And action.
The pressure is so
Don't make me
funny.
laugh.
She can laugh.
Everybody's
It's-
staring at you. 2, 1. Bazonga.
My mouth is on fire still.
Oh my god,
And
I
it's continuing to increase
What do y'all think? Y'all think she got it?
as I talk.
yeah. She got it. What do you
Yeah.
think?
Okay, then yeah.
All right, great. I'm gonna
Get you something, girl.
All right, Steven.
Shall we? You guys are.
How you feeling there, Jules?
I'm suffering.
You're a pro for hiding that. That is not easy.
Am I pro?
Spicy what?
Mango.
Spicy mango. Mmm.
2, 1. Boop.
Boom.
You did.
Yeah, this is easy.
Can't do it again.
Darn it.
Netherland block. Oh, now.
15?
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
Go. Let me not go. Then once it's gone, we can start the timer.
Wait a minute, what are we doing with it?
2, 1.
Still disgusting.
Yep.
All right, Kelly, spin it. Ass kicking goes Pepper Peanut!
Yes!
I'm so sorry.
Get to heaven.
I don't like peanuts, so this is gonna be great.
Oh no, double trouble.
And 1.
How was it?
Not too bad.
I think mom.
All right, Jules.
God, I'm scared.
Oh, that's the gummies. That's the gummies.
Spicy
That's the
mango.
gummies.
When you're ready.
Eat that, Brady. 2, 1.
What'd you
Yes.
think?
Not bad at all.
Yes.
I can't tell if the spice is still from the last time.
Oh
or
my
if-
gosh.
All right, Steven.
That's good.
Does not count. Does not count.
There you go.
Hey!
I'll get you a couple.
Give me 3.
Oh, that's my turn.
Peanuts. All right, 3 of them.
Is that a sweat chocolate?
Where?
Where?
What do you think, Steven?
The head drop.
3 was
Overdoing
not what Jesus would have done.
Yeah.
Ass kicking peanuts.
Okay.
Okay.
Move
Ready?
to a better row, yes. Oh, you got yours.
Here we go.
Yeah.
I got 3.
There you go. You know what? No, I'm gonna do you one more.
Yay!
You know what? Do them 3 more.
Oh,
Don't do
da
that.
da.
Don't do that. Don't do that. I say 4 is okay. 3 is okay. I was cool.
All right. Fine. Go.
Quattro.
Those
Wow.
are delicious.
Delicious. What?
I literally stuck on my tooth. It was still hot.
Hey, last time.
Yes. Bye bye.
I don't know.
course.
I would prefer that over the ghost pepper. How am I not gonna react? You know what? It could be a good Skittle.
It could be. That's the thing.
Good.
I'm so scared. You guys are.
All right.
Minutes is key.
All right. So, Kelly, do you think you got a sweet or a bad?
I surely hope it's a sweet one.
Find out for us.
Feels good.
Dang it.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Let's go.
Oh, Amy.
Makes you think will help.
You have the timer. Oh my god.
There?
Yep.
That was a little.
That was something.
There it is.
I don't think you're gonna give it to me. No, it hit the back of my throat.
Oh,
It's, yeah, the pepper is ridiculous on
It
that.
hit my uvula.
Oh my god.
Ah.
I can't imagine taking our uvula without being in our mouth. I can't
Oh my
imagine
god.
being in our mouth.
It's-
My mouth has been through it, okay?
I was thinking, oh, it'd be funny if I hit this, and then I was going, oh no, we still got dinner to eat.
Yes, we do.
So no, this won't be okay. God, it's on my fingers already.
Eat it. Eat it.
Eat it, 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 eat it. Whole chip, do it.
Maybe got high on that. That was a whole chip.
Whole chip. Yeah,
Is this like one of those ones that I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom and
I
either
don't
puke
know.
or poop?
We gonna find out?
You want to find out?
Dang.
Oh shit.
Oh, he reacted! He did
That's it, Rob.
it! He boom.
Yeah, it's
Like
like
looking at the bag is gonna make that.
Where's the Scoville units on this bag? I'm trying to find it.
It's right here. It says it's
It says
freaking
freaking
hot.
hot. I get that, but like, where's the Scoville units? It's worse. It's getting worse.
Yes.
Me. Because I'm at Steve.
Me. Yes! Hot tamale, hot tamale, hot tamale.
Hello,
Oh,
old
and
friends.
Skittle in there too.
Poor Steven suffering in the background. All right.
That's a doozy. Go ahead. Oh my.
Eat it all.
Oh dang. He's like, I got
You cannot blink more than 3 times.
That's not a rule.
3, 2, 1.
Snack-a-lack.
Oh my gosh.
I made the mistake of eating 10 of those in a row,
Oh.
so that's fine.
I'm sorry, first of all, 10? Not the second one through you?
Yeah.
Oh, it was bad. It was so bad. You or me?
Yes. Fire. All of it.
She's not gonna eat that whole thing.
Yeah, you are. Oh, that's a bomb woman. That is a
You're
bomb
gonna
woman. Bomb.com.
You got it, girl. Oh.
Hey!
Got it.
You're gonna hate it now. It's all recovery though.
Girl, don't tell me.
Right now it's not. Right now it's not. I think I'm waiting for it to hit.
Okay, okay.
So I'm gonna have the Zombie Skittle because I think that's the only one I haven't had. Hopefully I get a good one. All right, grape, don't fail me now.
It must be a good one.
Musical one.
Dang, Putin. I ain't no sense
All right.
in even recording your
Pick
reaction.
another one.
Kelly's gonna try the ghost popcorn. If she succeeds this, then she will move on to the next round.
Okay.
I know, I'm not saying
I don't know if my tongue is numb from the other one, but I don't taste any heat at all.
It
that. The
might
Or I
pepper
gotta-
gets in there. Take 2. Oh God, no. I'm gonna change it up, not get the grape. And I'm just gonna put gel right there. The others that Kelly touched. That she'll eat later. All right, here we go.
Jeez.
He looked down. There's
That's the bad one.
for sure. Oh, please don't swallow that. Oh my god.
You swallowed that one?
Yes,
I mean-
you have to in order for it to count.
Oh, he is. That is. Oh
You
no.
gotta show us.
Oh my gosh, he did it.
All right.
Yep, that was it.
Oh, Grody did it.
I feel like
What
we're
is it?
not-
I think the spice though kind of helped numb my tongue.
Yeah.
She found it. I am the supreme snacker.
That ain't right.
I know he's clapping.
Oh, yay!
They're clapping at home for me, right?
Oh my god.
Oh, they're not. Well, wow, that was quite a challenge. Everybody had something that got them at some point. Well, except me, because I didn't want to.
Okay, we're gonna fit in.
Steven, what was your least favorite?
The Paqui chips were
Paqui ghost pepper.
Yeah, the ghost pepper chips.
Jules?
Yeah, I'm gonna go with ghost pepper. That one lasted literally forever. I'm pretty sure it lingered into the other spice one that I had. That's why I failed. But you know what?
Kelly?
Zombie Skittles. I mean, the one that was bad. The other ones are good.
I'm gonna go with the ghost pepper popcorn. I just didn't like how it invaded my mouth, and the fact that it attacked all of our nostrils when we
Yes.
popped it was insane.
It's
Yeah.
evil.
It was
It
in the
is
microwave.
evil popcorn.
Yeah.
It came out with a vengeance in the beginning.
Yep.
Yeah,
On
that was
everyone.
strong. We all took these things like champs. So.
Yes, high five, guys.
Yes,
Yeah.
that was sad.
Obviously, we haven't rehearsed it.
That's
Well,
the
thank
best.
y'all for joining us in the first ever dangerous snack game. Hopefully with more to come.
Oh god.
So until next time, keep on snacking!